Hi, I'm Will. I'm the Access Rep at Jesus College, Oxford. I'm a second year mathematician.
Hi everyone, I'm Ryan. I'm a second year as well with Will. I'm a member of the Access team and I study history and German. I'm going to be showing you around some first year rooms today. Lovely day for it, where the rain stays away. So hopefully we'll have a chat with a few people and yeah, show you some rooms.
Yeah. So I'm Jenny. I live in a double set in staircase 6. So I share a living room and a bathroom with one other person. Yeah.
So, should we go and have a look?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Cool. Either way. Thanks.
So how do you find doing a double set?
It's really fun. I like having someone to talk to all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we get along really well, so...
That's great. I suppose it can be a little bit of a risk doing a double set and then not liking the person you're with, but that's really good that it's worked out.
Thank you.
So you've got this really nice big living space and then you've got 2 rooms just off to the side. And how do you find you spend most of your time at this bit?
So there's 2 people living upstairs in exactly the same room. We all kind of chill down here all the time. It's really nice to have your own space. It's nice to have someone to work next to. Just to chat, you know, so if you get a bit distracted, you can like have a break.
Yeah.
It's really nice, yeah.
And you've got all your desks set up here as well. Do you tend to spend quite a lot of time here?
Oh yeah,
during the day?
I think we work here more than the library just because we like to work next to each other. And sometimes you can't sit next to each other in the library, so...
Yeah, of course. It's good to mention that the library is just over there as well, isn't it? So
yeah,
you know, you've got a really good choice of study space.
Yeah.
Should we go and actually have a look at the rooms? So whose room is this? Is this yours?
This is my room.
Okay. So they're slightly smaller than some of the other rooms in college, but then you've got the bigger living space, that's right, isn't it?
We don't spend much time in our own rooms,
No.
so... And then this is...
I guess just identical, right? The other way around.
Lovely fireplace. I suppose you don't really use this now anymore.
No, it
Does it
doesn't
work?
even work.
Does
no.
it?
No, it doesn't.
Just a bit of a decorative feature.
Yeah. In a nice storage space.
And then the bathroom. So there are pretty much every room in college you share a bathroom with at most one other person. I think there's one staircase that shares a bathroom between 6, but that's literally 6 people out of first year. Everyone else either has an ensuite or shares between 2. Brilliant. Thanks for showing us around.
Thanks, Jen. Okay, so we're here in third quad. I'm here with Hannah, who's going to show us her room. Anna, do you want to introduce yourself?
Oh, hi, I'm Anna. I'm a first year studying German and I live in staircase 19.
Do you like living in staircase 19? How do you find it?
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
My room looks out really big, which is really nice because we have the big bay windows.
Yeah, of course.
So we get a lot of light, which is especially good when we're isolated.
Yeah. And you share a bathroom with another person as well, so don't you? So you're off this one door and there's 2 rooms off the sides.
Yeah.
How do you find that?
That's really good because it kind of means you have like a guaranteed friend when you first arrive. So Meg was the first person I met. And we like got on instantly.
Yeah.
And it's like that's really good when you share a bathroom because
I think that tends to be the experience of most people, isn't it? They really get on with their roommate. So this is you here?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's quite like a big room.
Very nice. That's that
Yeah,
view you're
it's
talking
really
about.
big.
That's amazing, isn't it?
Although the desk is really big, which is good when you're like kind of having a bit of study
Yeah.
stuff. So like spread all your books out. and
Yeah,
everything.
yeah.
I'll try and I'll open the window. I did this at Stevens the other day. Open the window, the view. They got a really good shot, so. That's the view out the window.
Yeah, and it's nice being able to like hear kind of the sound of the street.
Yeah, I was going to say you've got the buskers outside as well. Do you sort of enjoy having that going on as a bit of a soundtrack when you're studying?
It's good background noise.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice.
That's great.
And there are, how many rooms are there on this staircase?
I think there's 22.
I think you're right.
Yeah, it's quite a few.
Mm.
So a lot of people live on the staircase as well. It
Yeah.
means you've got
Yeah.
in normal times quite a good little social setup.
It is quite a sociable staircase. Like everyone who lives here is really friendly, which is nice.
Okay, brilliant.
Okay. Well, thanks for showing us around.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, so we're here with Kirsty at the Ship Street Centre, and we're going to be showing you some more of the first year accommodation.
Kirsty, do you want to introduce yourself?
So hi, I'm Kirsty. I'm a first year geographer here. Yeah. So we're going to take you up into Ship Street.
Cool. So it's a bit of a challenge to get through this door.
Yeah, very much.
How many rooms are there in the Ship Street Centre? Anyone know?
Over 30, right?
Yeah, it's 31.
31.
Yeah.
So probably a good third of the year in first year living here. They're all single rooms.
And we have the perks of a flat of a lift. No one else has a lift.
We're taking the healthy option.
Yeah, yeah. Moving in with a lift is great though. It's great.
Yeah, that's really true. How did you find moving into college with all your stuff on the first day here?
I mean, we did a lot of tricks. A lot. Because I had far too much stuff. But the lift was a lifesaver.
Yeah.
Like piling the stuff in, getting up to the top.
Okay, so there you go. That's quite a nice view.
It's not bad there.
I'm out of breath now.
Some fellow Jesus residents there. Say hello everyone, it's the Access team.
Right.
Right.
Yeah, so this is my room. Yeah.
Give us a bit of a tour. That's the view out there.
Yeah, this is the view with the crane. It's great.
And that is Jesus just there. That's kind of the main college site.
Yeah. And I'm very, very basic with my fairy lights everywhere.
They just make it. They make a student room, don't they?
They
The
do.
fairy
You
lights.
can't not have fairy lights.
That's very true.
in the room.
Have you been doing much studying in here this term and last term?
Yeah, I mainly just sit here and do work. Don't really go to the library much. Booking it's not as easy with COVID.
Yeah.
But
Do you find it quite a nice place to work?
yeah, I do. It's really nice. I mean, sometimes the noise outside is not ideal, and you get a lot of pigeons. You get a lot of sounds of pigeons.
Yeah. So the college is going through a lot of building work at the moment, obviously with our new fourth quad being built.
Yeah.
So yeah,
But yeah.
Nice big desk space though, isn't it?
very nice.
Yeah, it's great. You have so much space. I get to spread out all my work, which is ideal because I do that a lot. And then sunrises in Michaelmas term are beautiful. When you get up early enough to see the sunrise, it's so pretty out there.
Yeah, I bet.
Yeah.
So, and then you've got an ensuite bathroom in
Yeah,
this room,
I do.
don't you?
So. Yeah.
Nice, all to yourself. Cool. All right, thank you very much for showing us around.
Yeah.